In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load and create snapshots the right way in Gohighlevel. We're going to walk through the correct place to access snapshots, how to begin creating one, and where to find the official documentation so you understand exactly what should be included before you save anything. This is especially useful if you want to standardize setups, duplicate proven systems, or prepare reusable account structures the right way. Start by logging into Gohighlevel. Once you're inside the platform, the first thing you want to do is make sure you're in the correct view. Snapshots are managed from the agency level, not from a regular sub-account workspace, so navigate to your agency view. If you're currently inside a location or sub-account, use the option to switch over to agency view from the left-hand menu. After you've switched successfully, look again at the menu on the left side and click Account Snapshots. This will open the area where you can manage existing snapshots and create new ones. From there, click Create Snapshot to begin the process. Before you build anything, it's a very good idea to click View Documentation. This helps you avoid common mistakes and gives you a better understanding of what a snapshot actually contains. In the documentation, start by reading the section called What is a Snapshot? This gives you the context behind snapshots and explains how they function inside Gohighlevel. Next, move to the section on how to create a snapshot. This is where the platform outlines the proper setup flow. You'll see that the process begins by going to Account Snapshots, which is exactly where we are now. Then you'll name the snapshot and select the sub-account you want to use as the source. This is important because the snapshot will pull assets and configurations from that selected account. After that, choose the assets you want to include. This step matters a lot, because a good snapshot should contain only the items you actually want to replicate. Be intentional here. Review the available assets carefully so you don't accidentally leave out important components or include things that don't belong in a reusable template. The documentation also highlights specific asset categories, including marketing assets like LinkedIn ad campaigns. That's helpful because it shows you that some campaign-related items can be part of your planning when building a snapshot. Even if you're not using every asset type today, knowing what's available will help you create cleaner, more reliable snapshots going forward. Once you understand the documentation and the creation flow, you'll be in a much better position to build snapshots correctly and load them with confidence. That's the right way to do it in Gohighlevel.